Very good morning, students. So in this video we will discuss about the question and answers of chapter 5th, self-management skills for class 9th. Okay, so for writing the answers you just push the video or take the screenshot of it. So first of all, you just increase your brightness of your mobile and make sure set your pixel size or 360 pixels, okay, for better video quality. Okay, so let us start from the very first question. So the first question is belongs to objective type questions. Here I will give you the answers only, okay, because you have the PDF and you have the books. So I will give you only the answers of objective type questions. These are the answers. First, management of oneself. Second, C, D and E. Okay. Then the next one is what? True or false, because I'm also completed these things in the class also. So you just push the video and write the answers in your book or direct in your notebook as you want. Question number 2 is in the fill in the blanks. It's question number 3, I think. Fill in the blanks. So blank 1 consists two blanks is self-management, means managing your own behavior and well-beings. Okay, just like the C is also having 2 blanks and E is also having the 2 blanks. So first one is first blank and second one is for the second blank. Okay, then next is what? The short answer type questions. So first, what is self-management? So the answer is self-management means management of oneself, taking responsibility of your own behavior and well-beings. Okay, and the second one is enlist any two outcomes of self-management. So you have just write the 2 outcomes, any 2 outcomes you have to write. If you want to write any other outcomes, then it will be okay. Okay, so no problem. I just take these 2 outcomes because they are short and we are writing the short answer type questions, so I'll take these 2. If you are taking any other, then no problem, it will work. Okay, the next question number 3, why is it important to have self-confidence? Okay, so self-confident people have positive attitude towards everything. They not only live their life positively but also have the courage to face their fears and worries. Okay, then question number 4, what are organizational skills? So organizational skills is the ability to use time and energy in a most effective manner so that one can achieve the things one desire. Okay, मैं इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन आपको क्लासेस में समझा चुका हूँ, तो आई थिंक दोबारा समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. और अगर आपको लग रहा है ऐसा, इफ़ यू वांट देन प्लीज़ आस्क, आई विल मेक वन मोर वीडियो फॉर डिस्क्रिप्शन एज वेल. नेक्स्ट, the next question number 5 for the last short answer type question. What is the function of responsibility in self-management? In order to be responsible, one must learn to prioritize things. Yes, आपको things को priority देनी पड़ेगी. First मेरे लिए, second ये, third ये. Do the task as per priority and take responsibility of the actions of or mistakes. ठीक है. Yes, subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed till now. So just click the subscribe button. Okay, next, long answer type questions. Question number 1, how is self-awareness different from self-motivation? So there are the 5 points which define the difference between these two. So you have just write the answer. Okay, next one, explain stress management. Give a suitable example to explain how it is important. Okay, so first I'll briefly describe stress management, and then I'll give an example of stress management, importance of stress management. Okay, so I'll give an example of importance of self management. Okay, so this question is in 2 slides. Okay, this question is in 2 slides. First one is this, and the second one is this is also question number 2. Okay, this is also the question number 2. Continuous. First, decrease your decision making capacity, you lose your focus, it decrease the chance of success, it decrease your overall performance. So for avoiding these types of situations, we must adopt 4 things. First one means to maintain your stress. You have to do these 4 things. First, breathing. Take a long deep breath, then relax, and then think what you have to do and what you don't have to do. Okay, and then react. First you think क्या करना चाहिए. Yes, think and then react. Don't react at a time. Okay, just wait, think, be calm and relax, and then react. Okay, all in all we can say that stress management is very important to life, to live a healthy life. Yes, अगर आपको healthy life लेनी है तो stress management is very important. Okay, and the next is enlist the benefits of self management. So we have to write the benefits of self management, only the list. So here I'll give you the 6 points of the benefits of self management. So you have to write these 6 points only, and your answer is complete. Got it? Okay, that much time is sufficient. Question number 4. Yes, what is question number 4? Explain in your words. So if you want to write this question in your word, then you can. Okay, don't follow my answer. You have to write if you have the courage to write. If you don't make any mistake, grammatical mistakes, punctuations and all that things, then you can write. Okay, make a one chance to write the answer of that question. Okay, by the help of proper planning and time management, anyone get optimum result. The best way to increase one's efficiency is to manage things and time, even if you have a lot to do work. Yes, make a schedule and keep some time for relaxation. Take small breaks in between your busy schedule, and you get the most effective and productive result. Okay, then organizational skills is the ability to use time and energy in the most effective manner so that one can achieve the things one desire. If the work is done with a fresh and rejuvenated mind, then one's efficiency will definitely increase. Okay, so here we describe how your efficiencies increase. Yes, how you increase the efficiency towards any work. Okay, so this is your last question. Okay, then subscribe the channel. You just click on this subscribe button and subscribe the channel. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.